Well, 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 if it isn't the satisfying aftermath of Operation Clean Sweep. Looks like we won the battle. Time for a snack.
Agent J!
Ah! What is with all the jump scares? Wait a minute. Are you eating my mac and cheese? Is that what this is? Mia brought it over. Special agents have to eat, even if your cooking skills are not, stellar yet. We'll deal with that later. What do you want? Agent J, congratulations on your sparkling success thus far. Your instincts are sharp as ever, which means you're now authorized to join the elite force tasked with advanced operations. Thanks, but, can I have my mac and cheese back? You just cut out there, Agent J. Didn't catch that. Welcome, Agent J. Today's briefing, Advanced Ops. Your mission involves mastering the art of the deep clean dive. From cleaning windows to appliance maintenance to having a seasonal plan, each task is critical. Ready to enhance your agent skills and become the hero of your home base? Alright, let the deep cleaning games begin. Agent J, your first mission is Operation Clear View. It's crucial to maintain transparency in all operations, starting with our windows. A clear view not only ensures better surveillance, but also enhances the morale of our base. Sounds clear enough. Where do we start? First, imagine your own home. Can you identify any issues you might have with your windows? Well, I guess there is a lot of dirt buildup blocking the sunshine, and it seems like there's a draft coming in even though the windows are closed. Great insights, Agent J. Recognizing the specific issues with your windows can help you understand why it's important to clean them properly. First, let's tackle the glass. You'll need a good glass cleaner, or you can make a solution with water and vinegar for an eco-friendly option. Spray the cleaner on the window and use a microfiber cloth or a squeegee for streak-free results. You can use this method on the inside and outside of your windows. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment or a microfiber cloth to remove loose dirt from the window sills and the tracks. Then wipe them with a damp cloth. You might need an old toothbrush to scrub away grime and buildup. Cleaning the tracks also helps your windows seal tightly to avoid those pesky drafts. As for blinds, dust them regularly with a microfiber cloth or vacuum with a brush attachment. Curtains will need a gentler approach. Remove them and shake off any dust outdoors before laundering them according to their care instructions. Some might need dry cleaning, while others can be washed in your machine on a gentle cycle. Ooh, well, now I'm feeling lighter and more energized. Clean windows not only improve your home's appearance, but also let in more natural light, which can boost your mood and save on lighting costs. With clear windows, I've realized our mission is not just about cleaning, it's about enhancing our living space and enjoying the view. Now, onto Operation Lifeline. Our appliances are essential team members in our daily operations. Each clean and checkup could be the difference between mission success and failure. Sounds like we're moving from micro to macro operations. Let's start with the freezer. Regular defrosting prevents ice from compromising its efficiency. To defrost a freezer, first switch it off and remove all items. Throw out any items that are freezer burned. This means they have ice crystals and may taste off due to dehydration and oxidation. Then put towels around the freezer to catch any melting ice. To speed up the process, you could place a bowl of hot water inside the freezer, and once the ice is melted, wipe down the interior before turning it back on. So that's why my ice cream keeps melting. I didn't realize that defrosting actually helps it perform better. Exactly. Now, with the knowledge you've gained from our freezer deep dive, how do you think we should approach the fridge? Pause to draft a plan in your mission log. Monthly, you should do a full clean out. Remove everything, check expiration dates, and then clean each shelf with warm, soapy water. Sticky spills? A baking soda mix will handle those. Be sure to wipe down the produce bins and door shelves too. Got it. The fridge is fresh. What about the dishwasher? Any secret intel there? Our dish duty ally needs regular checks too. Inspect the spinning arms for blockages and run it monthly with vinegar to clear out grease and soap scum. Wipe it down with a sponge to remove any remaining grime. Simple enough. And the washing machine? Every few months, run it empty on a hot cycle with vinegar to prevent lime buildup and to keep it running smoothly. And, you know the drill, wipe out any remaining grime. Maintaining these mechanical allies doesn't just improve their lifespan, it ensures they perform their best when you need them most. All homes are different, so adapt what you've learned to your situation, and do some research on maintenance for any appliances we haven't mentioned. Operation complete! With our mechanical allies now in peak condition, we are transitioning to Operation 4 Seasons. This campaign focuses on fortifying our base against the changing conditions each season brings. From spring allergen assaults to winter cold fronts, a well-prepared base ensures operational success and comfort all year round. Sounds like a major operation. It's manageable with the right plan. In spring, focus on your air quality to battle seasonal allergies. Replace or clean all air and HVAC or air conditioner filters to keep your air clean and appliances efficient. Refer to your user manuals and call a professional if needed. It's also a perfect season to tackle the windows with our newfound skills. Right on, Agent J. Summer is about minimizing moisture and mold. Deep clean your bathrooms with special attention to grout and ventilation systems. If you have one, it's also a perfect time to declutter the garage and or shed to create a clutter-free environment for summer activities. Minimize moisture and declutter. Got it. What about fall and winter? Fall is all about preparation. Get the gutters cleaned, rake leaves, and prep your home for colder weather. Turn on your heating system to test it and ensure it's working correctly. Hire a professional for repairs as needed. How do you think preparing your home in the fall helps reduce emergencies in the winter? Well, by cleaning gutters, we're preventing water damage, and that means when it gets really cold, our home stays warm and dry. Plus, testing the heating system ensures it won't fail when we need it most during the colder months. Confirmed, Agent J. Winter's mission focuses on warmth and safety. Inspect the fireplace and chimney if you have them. Rotate and flip mattresses for even wear on the springs, and swap out seasonal clothing. It's also a great time to take inventory of your home essentials and note anything you need to restock. This is quite the strategic map. A well-prepared seasonal strategy is your blueprint to maintain a stronghold against chaos all year round. Equip yourself with the right tools and schedule these tasks on your calendar. Remember, being proactive is your best ally. Thanks, Agent M. I definitely feel more equipped for whatever comes next. Guess it's about taking it one mission at a time. Now, can you please give me my mac and cheese back? Oh, our communication seems to be down again. Catch you at our next adulting adventure.